What up? Yes.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
Yeah. So if you guys can see, my car is already been leveled. And later on, I'm gonna change the muffler for this car. And this is my sexy man right here,
Yeah, boy.
holding both my mufflers. Show them the muffler. So basically, we're gonna test out both of these mufflers and see which one will sound better.
Okay.
But this is the exhaust that Jody chose, and this is the one that I chose. So later on, we're gonna see which one of this will sound better. Okay, Nell, which one do you think will sound better?
I think with this one.
The one I chose?
Yeah. Because it says F1 racing. Who wouldn't trust an F1 racer? You know, they are professionals. The most tiring sports in the world. One of the most. Yeah.
No, no, Nell, no.
But Matola quite nice. Matola quite nice also.
Where you guys can get the idea of what type of friends I have.
If you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all, is my advice.
I cannot.
Alright, right now we're at a random street. This is where we're gonna test the sound of the car. Let me explain what happened just now. Early on, Jody over here chose a muffler for my car, and I chose one muffler for my car, and we tested it out. Jody, tell me which muffler sounded nicer? Which one?
To you. To you, to him. Congrats. Feel embarrassed.
Yeah, you should. By the way, guys, this is Daryl Ling. You all can follow him on his IG. Daryl what?
Dominic.
Daryl Dominic,
Cut.
Malaysia #1 dancer.
Oh no, that's
Declared by
calling out Chris Oy.
So right now, Nell is gonna do me the honors of turning on my engine, and let's see how does my car sound like. You ready?
Yep.
Let's go! Go, Nell!
Actually, I like the muffler itself because it's quite long, so the sound will bounce more. Recommended for everyone who don't want to change the whole exhaust system but still want a sporty sound of the car.
Yo.
Yes.
Huh?
Well, at first, I thought mine would sounded nice, you know, because I've been playing cars for quite some time. But then, Chris, to be exact, his option of the muffler, it sounded way nicer than mine. So, congrats. I love it.
It was.
these muscles.
I like it. It's just if you rev it too much, I don't like it. I like this constant, you know.
Alright guys, like I said, there will be more. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoy watching this video of me and my friends changing the muffler on my car. But if you guys want to watch more,
Like,
Comment.
Subscribe.
till next time guys.